Hey everybody, it's Chad. We're on the way home with a big load of parts we picked up in eastern Kansas. We stopped at the tiny little town of Beaumont, Kansas, and found the superest, coolest restaurant, hotel you're ever going to check out. Asked the management, they were cordial enough to let us do some video here and show you how cool this place is. This is the second video we did. The first video, if we look over there, we had planes, trains, and even showed off their maintenance truck, a cool old Dodge that they literally use around here for their maintenance vehicles. So we asked them, they said, yeah, come on in. They're gonna let us show you the inside of it, show you the hotel rooms. This hotel was built in 1879. 1879. And the trains came in right there for the cattle trade and literally in the old west of Kansas in the late 1800s. Super cool property, super cool history. That water tower right there has been there since the mid 1880s. So this place is full of history, but this place is so cool, we really want to show it to you. So we're going to head over here. Not only do they have the hotel, they've also got an RV park. So if you're traveling through and need a place to park for the night or park for a couple days, they do have a fully equipped RV park. It's over here on this side of the property. We're going to show you that real quick. And then we're going to take you inside and show you how cool this place is, because it is fully restored, modern, and up to date. So out here, you've got your hookups and everything all set up for an RV park, picnic area. Just a really great facility. Let's go in and check out the inside of this place. Like I said, it is renovated, it is restored, it has all the modern amenities that you would want if you're going to stay somewhere overnight. So we'll head in here. We've got a really cool little cafe area over here, but it's full of people eating lunch. We don't want to bother them, but they do have great food here. We look inside, really cool decor, tons of airplane stuff, motorcycle stuff. Like we talked about in the last video, you can literally fly your airplane in here, land on the grass strip, and park right outside that window in the aircraft parking area. So this place is so cool, has so much great stuff in it. If we look behind us there on the wall, we've got a big wooden prop right there. We've got another super cool, really wooden prop right here, an old Sensenich brass tip Sensenich wooden prop. Just great decor, great artwork, great pictures. The train stuff, the Frisco trains, the water tower pictures. Pictures of the water tower from the early 1900s. This property was so unique, it was even featured in an ad for the Beechcraft Corporation in the late 60s. That is this property, that is an ad that Beechcraft used in a lot of magazines and a lot of print back in the day. We get back in here to their dining room. Great airplane stuff all over the walls. Cool pictures, lots of World War II warbird type stuff. Right there's a P-38. P-38 with wasps, actually. Really cool picture. The wasps, the women's air service pilots that ferried these planes over in World War II. Really great tribute to Robin Olds. If any of you guys have never studied about Robin Olds, you need to look that guy up. Absolutely amazing. Ace in World War II, ace in Vietnam, married a Hollywood starlet. Super cool story about him. And this whole building is full of this stuff. Even back to some of the old West motif with the barbed wire displays. And like I said, everything in here is completely modern, completely up to date, with a touch of its history with it. Such a unique property and so cool. That's why I was so excited about it. And I was like, this isn't all cars, but I got to shoot a video here to show you guys because it is so cool. We did ask management. They did allow us that we can go up, show you a couple of the rooms, and show you how restored and how modern this place really is. So we're going to head up here and show you what a few of the rooms look like. Once again, lots of cool decorations, lots of motorcycle stuff. A lot of motorcycle rides come in here. They come out here for breakfast and just cruise. It's right along Highway 400, so it's easy to get to, easy to get in and out of. More motorcycle and airplane themed decorations everywhere. We can look inside these rooms though. Completely modern, just like anywhere else. Flat screen TVs, refrigerator, great. Once again, the old West themed cattle drives to go right along with the history of this property. And just you look in every one of these rooms and that's the way they are. Everything about it is modern, but it has such a great history and it's so cool. The decorations all the way through here, same thing, more airplane stuff, more prairie stuff. And here again, we can peek into this room again. Completely modern. One more thing we want to show you, we can head up this way, and this is another really cool feature about this property, but we're dealing with a building that is 140 years old. Things were done differently back then. And this is another really neat feature of this property that's so cool. And I came up here and checked this out before we did the video, because I was looking at things I wanted to show you guys, and this is just such a neat area. This is literally the front of the property, and it's kind of a sitting room. It was like a front porch. You know, back in the day, this was probably screened so you could hang out and get fresh air in the evening, is what I'm guessing. But now, fully modern, fully restored, great decor everywhere. You could spend hours just looking at the pictures and studying what is in here on display. So, even though I know it's a little different than what we usually bring you, this place was so cool. I couldn't not shoot a video and show it to you and share it with you guys. If you're ever east of Wichita, running down Highway 400, you've got to stop and check this place out. Beaumont, Kansas, the Beaumont Hotel and RV Park. We just gave you a good snippet of what's here. You might be sitting here eating, watching an airplane literally pull up and park next to the hotel. And you can check out the history. If you like trains, there's history. You like planes, there's history. So much neat stuff here, and it is so cool. So if you ever get out this way, I strongly encourage you to check it out. It's a really neat place and super cool. So appreciate you taking a few minutes to watch this with us. I know it's a little off the beat of what we typically do, but I do love history, and we all love vehicles, even though some of them have wings and some of them have big steel wheels, but they're still cool. So the transportation motif theme is still here, even though it's not just cars and trucks, but I still wanted to show it to you. So it's a really cool place. I'm really glad that you took a few minutes to hang out and check it out with me, because I'm so excited about this property after I found it and how cool it really is. So that's what I've got for you tonight. We can take a look out the windows and take one last look at the airplane that's on display. And by the way, that airplane has a very, very interesting history behind it as well. So be sure to check that out whenever you can get out here to the Beaumont Hotel and RV Park and check this super cool property out. So thanks for watching, everybody. Appreciate you stopping by, and we will see you soon on the next video.